Hello everybody, today we are going to be covering the Systems View in the Worldbuilding pack for Campfire Pro. The Systems View is a great place to plan organizations, power structures, or even economic framework in your world. It allows you to visually demonstrate relationships in the system and pair that with a thorough information page. This view is broken down into two sections. The first is the information page. Here you'll fill in the overarching details about your system, like its history, description, and location. Information uses the standard Worldbuilding pack panels. For an overview of the types of panels used in this section, hit the link in the top right. Next is the Flowchart section. Here you'll be able to visually connect panels representing other pages in Campfire Pro. Click Add Panel, select the type, and click the page you want to add. After you add your panels, you can start connecting them. Add connections by dragging from one of the 4 points on one panel to another. You may want to color code the connections in the system, and you can do that in the right-hand sidebar. Just click in the color box, select the color you want, and name it. When you have this color selected, new connections will appear as that color. Connections are two-way by default, but you can make them one-way by clicking the refresh button in the color panel. Their orientation is established by the direction you create the connection. There are also 3 different styles of connections you can make: line, dashed, and dotted. To change the style, right-click on the connection to cycle to the next type. You can also change the curviness of the lines by going to the page options at the top and clicking Layout Options. 1 is least curvy, and 500 is maximum curve. In the layout options, you can also change the panel style. You can choose between rectangle, rounded rectangle, and oval. New panels you create will load as that shape. If you want to move multiple panels at once, all you need to do is hold left-click and drag over the panels you want to select. Now you can move them as a group. You can nest systems to describe how the different organizations in your world interact with each other. Just use the Add Panel button at the bottom and add your other systems to your page. Just click the panel to go to the Nested Systems page. That's it for systems. Thanks for watching.